Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have this. It's a magnetic card wallet holder, and it's supposed to go onto your phone. And I have my case with the magnet thing here. I don't have my phone because I'm filming with it, but we're gonna give this thing a try and see if it connects up onto that. If not, maybe I'll try to film with my iPad or something. But let's see. So here we go. Let's see what we got in the box. Basically, the instructions are to put it on your phone. So let's see what we got here. So let's open this up, and we have a little card thingy that slides out here. And so I guess this is what it looks like here. It's a nice kind of leather looking thing. I don't know if it's real leather or leatherette, but let's see if I try to connect it up onto my case, if it magnetizes on, and it does. Look at that. So now it's stuck onto my case. It sticks pretty good too. So that's how it kind of stays on. And I have this little finger grip here, but so that's how it will go. And then you can put your cards in it. Do I have any cards? I don't. But I have this card that it came with. So you just kind of stick it in there and you have your cards, and it's got a good tight kind of grip on there. So it's gonna hold the cards in pretty good. So I'm not worried about them falling out or anything like that. So how cool is that? And then if you want to take it off for some reason, you've got it on a magnet, so you can just take it off with you. So super cool that you have your wallet with you. So I mean, because who even uses cash anymore? I always just have my cards. So just gonna stick this on there and carry it around, and I'm good to go. So very cool, nice little wallet here. And I'm gonna show you the box here again, see if it has a brand on it. I don't know if it does or not, but oh yeah, ILYMUS. That is it right there. So pick up one of these things. It's very cool. So like I say, I like it. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.